In this video, I'll show you how to disable the user registration form in WordPress directly from the database. And before proceeding with the steps shown in this video, please make sure to have a full backup copy of your WordPress site, including the database. Once complete, log into your hosting account and then go to control panel areas such as cPanel, and then look for the database section. Then select phpMyAdmin. Within the phpMyAdmin on the left, look for the database which is associated with the WordPress installation. In my case, it's this one. Let's open it. And now look for the table called WP_options. But keep in mind that sometimes the prefix WP may be different. It really depends on your WordPress installation. Let's open the table. Within the options table, look for the option name users can register. In my case, it has 1, which means it's enabled. In order to deactivate it, we need to set it to 0. So for that, click on Edit. For the option value, let's change from 1 to 0. Then scroll all the way to the bottom and select Go. Now let's go to WordPress registration form. Let's try refreshing it. As you can notice, the user registration form is disabled, and it now shows the following error. User registration is currently not allowed. In fact, if I go back to the WordPress login page, and as you can notice, the register link was removed from the WordPress login page. So for now, that's all for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.